Let's check what mommy's doing here. Hi. A big piece of meat. Did you bought that?
Yeah, yesterday. Going to paper towel. There.
And what's that? Different types. Different leaves.
Just one leaf that is there. Nia, how are you?
Mommy.
So quick.
I want to be on mommy's belly.
No, be on daddy's shoulder. You want to be on mommy's back. That is daddy saying that. Not Liam saying that.
What are you cooking for us?
I work with what I make at home before. The beef and the sauce.
Okay.
With puree. That you guys like a lot.
Okay. Okay.
How thin it is. Very thin. That's as high I can go. Now this is the part where we blanch our meat. So we add in paprika to it. That is paprika. This is black pepper. Ginger. Spicy is the key, making a very delicious meal. Check what we have here. We added ginger. We're gonna add a little bit of white pepper, just a little bit of it. A little bit of that, we want the flavor on it. So I know Oma will not have ginger, so right now I've not seen ginger, so I bought ginger. So we have curry here. Let's add some curry to that. Seeing it. Like nuts. Should I have it? Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I guess most of my stuff are here because anything I bought, Oma just leave it in here. So we add a little bit of that to it. And because I know Oma will not have ginger, oh God, about ginger. Sorry, garlic. We have some. Oh, not as I wanted. Oh, but it's okay. So we have garlic there. The rest of it we're gonna add fresh. We're gonna make it. So we have what is that? Kind of pepper we have. So we're not going to use so much. soy sauce come in. Because that is enough because we don't want it so sweet. So, a little bit of that. Let's also add that to our pot.
Das ist größer als, das geht schneller.
Okay.
Ja, ja. Das ist größer.
So we're trying to get a lot of juice out of that, you know. We want it to be juicy, and then we're going to transfer it into our pressure cooker, and then we're going to cook it. Yeah, so when it's juicy enough, we don't need water. But when it's not juicy enough, we're going to need a little bit of water. Here we go. Look at all that zest, all that juice. This was cooked on a low heat, on a low heat. So now I'm about to transfer it to the pressure cooker because I need all of that water to slowly cook it. Yeah. Onions. More garlic. Pepper. Gonna cover it to cook. Oma,
Ja.
we love this.
Das ist zwei, das kommt hier raus.
Okay.
Und dann kommt der.
Yeah. So here are the peppers. I'm using black pepper, sweet paprika, and onions. Yeah. And I'm gonna be using this. Gonna be blending little by little because Oma does not have the big engine for blending. Yeah, she doesn't have the big blender. So we're gonna blend little by little, and we're gonna be adding our leaves. Yeah. So we have our vegetable here to add all to it. Thyme, rosemary, and every other one. So let's continue.
Kann es wie ein Tag war. The second one? Huh?
Yeah. Can we put this on the table like that?
What, yes. What
You think it's a good idea? Okay.
Stell den Teller wieder vor dich.
Did you put it already? Okay.
Do toppers.
Finger back.
Yes, ma'am. Turn that.